Okay. After the simple design juice dispenser, I will keep on introduce another new product for you. This electric soup warmer. And let's see this silver one. This product is widely used at the hotel buffet or restaurants to keep the soup or some beverages inside keep warm or cold for a long time. And this this product is made of stainless steel 201 and the food grade plastic material. Now I will introduce each part of this product for you. Let's see the cover. This cover is made of stainless steel 201 materials with mirror polishing effect. So we can see this cover is very smooth and clear. Wow. And we can see here is a U-shaped launch in this place. This launch is convenient for you to put a ladle here. Then you just open the lid and use the ladle to take the soup inside. It's very convenient. And we can see this is the heat warning sticker. And if you don't need this sticker, we can remove the sticker. It's okay. Then is this stainless steel inner barrel. Okay, it also has a polishing effect. It's very smooth. And the liter of this barrel is 10 liter. Okay, we can see after the lid and this inner barrel, I will introduce the shell. This shell is the stainless steel 201 material. And we also have this plastic shell and iron in black. And this is also the heat warning sticker on the surface. If you have the custom sticker, we also can put the sticker on the surface. Okay, let's see the photo is the plastic thermostat. And this thermostat can adjust the temperature from 30 degrees to 85 degrees. So it can keep your soup or the beverages for warm or cold for a long time. And besides the thermostat, this is the indicator light. Okay, and this is the plug. This plug can change the suitable plug according to the local voltage or to the customer's requirement. And this power line, we have PVC and rubber, two kinds of material. Okay, let's check. This is the our regular user menu. And if you want to put the other languages, language of the user menu or your some custom user menu, it's okay. Before packing, we will check each soup warmer to ensure the stable quality and the safety. And this product we have get CE, CB, and Roses certification. And this product have been sold quite well on the Australia, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Saudi Arabia, and many other foreign countries. And if you want to know more details, please kindly click the below product link to contact our colleague and send your inquiry. We will reply you immediately and as soon as possible. Okay, don't forget to click the follow on the top to focus on our company. And if you feel my introduction or our product is interesting, you could kindly click the like on the bottom of the screen. And besides, this is our big discount for you during 10 to 23 August. And if you could order over $10,000, then you can get $500 discount. So this chance is very good for you, and I hope you can get this opportunity and place your order to enjoy this big discount for you. Okay, this is the introduction of the electric soup warmer. Let's have 3 minutes breaking time, and we will see you 3 minutes later.